Everyone, thanks for joining us. I'm Brian Burns. Earlier this week, the federal website offering free COVID tests officially launched, and today Coastal Bend residents already starting to receive those kits in their mailbox. Our Lexis Green spoke with local health authorities on the pros and cons of at-home testing in tonight's top story.
On Wednesday, the government's website, which allows for each household to order and receive 4 COVID-19 rapid test kits free of charge, went live. And those kits are already starting to be delivered into the hands of Corpus Christi residents. Local health authorities say these tests could help take some of the load off of testing sites here in the Coastal Bend.
We have a lot of people going through our drive-through. We're having close to probably 1,000 tests a day. So it's really stressing out the lab. It's stressing out our staff.
According to local health authority Dr. Kim Onufrak, the drive-through COVID testing site at Memorial Hospital is seeing longer wait times for test results due to the high volume of tests. So a PCR, which Dr. Onufrak says is the gold standard of tests, could take a few days up to a week, while an at-home test is only 15 minutes. But Dr. Onufrak also reminds those with at-home kits to be cautious if symptomatic.
If you're symptomatic and your test comes out negative, it could be a false negative because maybe, the viral load isn't high enough. So you tested too early, it's too soon. So it's not going to give you a good read.
Dr. Onufrak went on to say that a recent study shows up to 35% of at-home tests are missing COVID-19 positives compared to a PCR test, which can detect low viral loads.
The at-home, it detects 95% of those that have a high viral load. So the disadvantage is that you can have those false negatives. And we don't want people to have that false sense of security if their initial tests come back negative.
Dr. Onufrak says the drive-through testing site located at Memorial Hospital is open Monday through Saturday, 9 to 3. But if you do perform an at-home test and receive a positive, to please report it to the health district so they can account for those numbers. Lexis Green, 3 News.